Ever thought about the secret ingredient that makes an older guy irresistibly attractive to younger women? Well, today, we're diving into the world of simple habits that can significantly boost your appeal. These aren't complicated lifestyle changes, but easy-to-adopt behaviors and attitudes that can make a world of difference. 1. Social skills and networking. Good social skills and an active social life aren't just fun. They're magnetic. It's about being able to mingle, chat, and connect. This doesn't mean you need to be the life of the party, but being comfortable in social settings is a huge plus. First, let's focus on communication. It's not just about talking, it's about listening. Being a good listener is like a superpower in social situations. It shows you care and are genuinely interested in others. Also, practice sharing stories about your experiences. Everyone loves a good storyteller. It's a great way to engage and entertain. Now, about expanding your social network. This might seem daunting, but it's easier than you think. Start by joining clubs or groups that align with your interests. Love books? Join a book club. Passionate about a sport? Find a local team or league. It's about finding common ground with new people. Remember, social skills are like muscles. The more you use them, the stronger they get. So go out there, meet new people, and have fun with it. It's all about making connections and enjoying the journey. Let's get social. 2. Health and fitness. Guys, health and fitness is key. Staying fit and healthy isn't just about looking good, though that's a nice bonus. It's about feeling good and keeping up that energy. Younger women often lead active lifestyles, so being able to keep pace is a big plus. You don't need to be a gym junkie or a marathon runner here. It's about simple, sustainable habits. How about starting with a daily walk? It's easy, enjoyable, and gets those steps in. Or if you're feeling adventurous, try a new sport. Ever thought of tennis, swimming, or even dance classes? They're fun ways to stay active, and hey, they double as great social activities too. Diet-wise, no need to go extreme. It's all about balance. Enjoy your meals, but maybe swap out that extra serving of fries for a salad now and then. And water, don't forget to stay hydrated. It's amazing what a difference good hydration can make to your energy levels and overall health. The trick is to find something you enjoy. When exercise and healthy eating are fun, they become less of a chore and more of a lifestyle. Plus, having that energy and vitality, it's incredibly attractive. So, let's get moving and stay vibrant. 3. Fashion and grooming. Never underestimate the power of looking sharp and well-groomed. It's not about splashing out on designer labels or keeping up with every trend. It's about finding a style that suits you and screams, "I've got this." First up, grooming. It's the basics, but let's face it, they matter. A neat haircut, a clean shave or well-trimmed beard, and nails, yes, nails, should be clean and tidy. It's the little things that show you take care of yourself. Now fashion. You want to aim for that sweet spot where age-appropriate meets stylish. No need to dress like a 20-year-old. Your style should reflect the confident, mature man you are. Think classic pieces that never go out of style. A good pair of jeans, crisp shirts, and a smart blazer can do wonders. And shoes. Guys, shoes are crucial. They often catch the eye first. Remember, fit is key. Clothes that fit well, regardless of your body type, make a world of difference. And don't be afraid to throw in a pop of color or a cool accessory to add a bit of flair. The goal? Look like a man who knows his stuff and does it with ease. If you're resonating with this video, why not take a moment to engage? Dropping a like, leaving a comment, or hitting that subscribe button can make a world of difference. This isn't just about expanding our community, it's about fostering a real connection. Your thoughts and feedback are the heartbeat of this channel. Share your insights in the comments. Every single like, comment, and subscription fuels our journey together. Thank you for being such an integral part of this adventure. 4. Intellectual curiosity. Here's the thing. Being well-read and informed is incredibly sexy. It's not about showing off big words or flexing your trivia muscles, but about being genuinely interested and engaging in the world around you. Start by picking up a book or two. It could be anything. A thrilling novel, a biography, or even a book on a topic you know nothing about. The goal is to expand your horizons and have something interesting to talk about. Trust me, being able to dive into a variety of topics is a huge hit in conversations. And it's not just books. Stay curious about current events, watch documentaries, listen to podcasts. The world is your oyster. The more you know, the more you can connect with people of all ages, especially younger women who might have different perspectives. Another pro tip, be curious about her world too. Ask questions, listen, and show genuine interest. It's about exchanging ideas, learning from each other, and growing together. Remember, a curious mind is a youthful mind. So keep learning, stay curious, and watch as it not only enriches your life but also makes you all the more attractive. Let's keep that brain buzzing. 5. Financial stability and ambition. Here's the lowdown. Having your finances in check and a clear sense of ambition can be super attractive. It's not about flaunting wealth or being a big shot. It's about showing that you're responsible and have goals. First off, financial stability. This means living within your means, saving for a rainy day, and not being reckless with your dough. It's about making smart financial choices, like budgeting wisely and investing in your future. This doesn't mean you can't splurge every now and then. It's just about balance. Then there's ambition. And no, this doesn't mean you have to be the CEO of a Fortune 500 company. Ambition can be as simple as setting personal goals and striving to achieve them. It could be mastering a new skill, pursuing a hobby, or even self-improvement. The key is to have dreams and put in the effort to make them a reality. So, keep your finances savvy and your ambitions high. Show that you're not just living for today, but planning for tomorrow as well. It's this combination of stability and drive that really catches the eye. Let's get those goals set and smash them. 6. Confidence and maturity. Here's the deal. Younger women often find the self-assurance and emotional depth of older men super appealing. It's not just about the years you've lived, but how you've lived them. So how do you amp up these traits? Firstly, confidence. It's all about owning who you are. Start by focusing on your strengths. Maybe you're a wizard with words, a DIY king, or a walking encyclopedia on a particular topic. Whatever it is, embrace it. Confidence isn't about being the loudest in the room. It's about being comfortable in your skin. Now let's chat about maturity. It's not about being serious all the time. It's about showing you can handle situations with a cool head. Younger women often appreciate a man who can navigate life's ups and downs with a calm, collected attitude. In social settings, mix these ingredients together. Listen attentively, share your experiences without overshadowing others, and keep the conversation engaging. Show that you're someone who's not just been around the block but has learned a thing or two along the way. Remember, a dash of humor never hurts. Maturity doesn't mean you can't have a good laugh. And now, for the grand finale, our bonus tip, genuine interest and respect. This, gents, is the golden rule. Showing real interest and respect towards younger women is the cornerstone of any strong connection. It's about valuing them not just for their youth or energy, but for their minds, dreams, and opinions. Genuine interest means really listening when they speak, not just waiting for your turn to talk. It's about engaging in their stories, asking thoughtful questions, and showing that you value their views and experiences. This kind of attention is flattering and shows that you see them as individuals. Respect is equally crucial. It's about acknowledging and appreciating their autonomy and choices, even if they differ from yours. Treat them as equals, with the same level of courtesy and consideration you would expect for yourself. This builds a foundation of trust and mutual understanding. Remember, these relationships are a two-way street. It's not just about what you find appealing in them, but what they find appealing in you. By showing genuine interest and respect, you create a space where a meaningful and balanced connection can flourish. So let's put this into practice and watch how it transforms your interactions. Now you know what habits spark her interest. What's next for you? Discover the signs she likes you, or learn about the green flags in younger women. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more.